In this video, I'm going to install a vise onto my toolbox. I had to stop doing the end fittings because I didn't have a vise and I was trying to use a C-clamp and prop it up against my toolbox here, and it wasn't working well. I need to shorten this guy, so I need to take one side off, and I was tired of fighting it. So we're gonna do a video on mounting the vise to the toolbox, and we'll see how that goes. I bought a sheet of metal to kind of protect the wood, so if I'm hitting on this, it doesn't dig into the wood top. I have the metal to kind of brace it. So I need to pull probably all 3 or 4 of these drawers out, and I'll figure out where to mount that. So what I'm actually going to do, I was going to mount it on the front of the toolbox here, but since I have this lip, I won't be able to get as close as I would like. So I think I'm going to mount it on the back side here, and then I will just have to pull out the toolbox whenever I want to use it, which is not a big deal. It's not a very big toolbox. I'm going to make a cardboard template. That way I can drill it from the inside, so I know everything will fit and won't hit, the side of this or this part of the toolbox here. Got my template here. I will tape it up in that corner as close as possible. That way I can get that vise as close to the corner as possible. That way it's actually useful and things won't hit the toolbox when I try to lock them in. So I'll tape up something like that and then drill some holes. Okay, got the holes drilled out. So next I'm gonna make some templates. That way, like I was saying earlier, I had just a little metal sheet protection so it doesn't dig into the wood. Also, I couldn't get it super close on this side because that's all metal right there for the toolbox. But it's close on this side, so if I need to get something to overhang, it should work on this side. Okay, so I made a top template, bottom template. This one's uglier because it's going on the bottom, you won't see it. This will be on the top, obviously. I'll get this all mounted together, and then I'm gonna whack it with a hammer a few times to make sure it all kind of stays in place and nothing breaks. If the vise breaks, I can return and get another one. Okay, vise is all installed, nice and tight. I'm gonna hit it with a hammer, so that way if it's gonna break, I know it's coming if it's going to break and not when I'm working on something. And it'll be kind of fun, so yeah. Survived a few hits. Paint kind of just came undone right there, but all good. I hope you enjoyed this video. The Harbor Freight vise held up. This was the 6-inch model. The which is great because now I can focus on the turbo part of the Miata, and I can get those fittings all put together on the hoses. Now that I can hold things too, it'll be much safer when I cut, and I'm not trying to hold a metal piece in one hand and cut in the other hand. So thank you for watching. Yeah, come back if you liked it.